Yo, 10 years deep in the mix, foam and cement. Aircrete pioneered, it's the builder's ascent. From Staten Island labs to Colorado skies, one man, one vision, watch the domes rise. Started back 10, playing with foam in the gray, testing every foaming agent, night and day. Portland cement bubbles, cellular life in the batch, experimented for years, trying to make that mix, cracks, fibers, additives, reinforcements in the game. Prototype dome on the island, reinforced shell with the name. Aircrete layer wrapped round for the insulation play. Never structural for me, just keep the heat at bay.
Aircrete roots, but I evolved with the stone. One man army building domes all alone. From the airform rising to the shotcrete spray. This the builder's journey of the concrete save. Reinforced rammed earth, should I believe my fire? Lavacrete, come and take it higher and higher. Lavacrete, come and take it higher and higher.
19 hit, rode to Colorado with the dream. Tyvek house rap, gore shoeing up the scheme. Cut 'em perfect, mounted to the slab, real tight. Inflated that bubble underneath the big skylight. Shotcrete flying, epic mixed with paper in the blend. 16 fronted, still a riddle dome, still standing strong. My friend, multiple winners tested, snow and wine couldn't break it. That dome still thriving, yeah, I knew I didn't fake it. Styrecrete, Aircrete, all the mixes I explored. One person system taught, so anybody can afford to build their own future. No crew, just heart and hands. Aircrete for the blanket, not the walls where the strength stands.
Aircrete roots, but I evolved with the stone. One man army building domes all alone. From the airform rising to the shotcrete spray. This the builder's journey of the concrete save. Reinforced rammed earth, Jah believe my fire. Lavacrete, come and take it higher and higher. Lavacrete, come and take it higher and higher.
Now I'm deep in Jayaopolem as ancient recipes revived. Stabilized, lambed earth where the real strength arrives. Lavacrete experiments got me hyped for what's next. From the first foam bubbles to the future I manifest. Never stop learning, never stop the grind. Every dome a chapter, every mix a new find. To all my YouTube fans, y'all are truly the best. Love every single one of you, keep building with zest. Thanks for riding with me on this concrete quest. I enjoy helping y'all, together we build progress. Reinforced rammed